India can get unlimited water at a very low cost if the government wants to implement a simple solution. But unfortunately, this idea is not getting enough attention yet. This is not a complicated technology. In fact, the Indian government itself promotes rainwater harvesting. However, rainwater harvesting only works during the 3 to 4 months of the rainy season, and the amount of water that can be stored is limited. But there is a better approach. River water harvesting. During the monsoon, our rivers carry a huge amount of extra water. Instead of letting this water flow into the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, we can store it in underground aquifers. This process will naturally recharge groundwater levels. As a result, farmers, households, and industries can get water throughout the year. This system will also help save a massive amount of fresh water that is currently being lost to the sea through India's rivers. Many countries such as Australia, Israel, and the United States are already using similar systems successfully. For the past year, we have been sending this idea to the government through emails, portals, and mentions, but we have not received any response yet. If you want to understand this solution in detail, comment water and we will share the full video explaining it. Please share this message so that this idea can reach the government and help make India water secure. We respectfully request the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, to consider implementing this water solution at a national level. If implemented, it could help 140 crore people across the country get sufficient water at a very low cost within a year and ensure that no one in the future suffers from water scarcity.